So hello everybody, good morning. Welcome to back my YouTube channel. My name is Prakash Thapa. I am student of the SAS Institute Management Study MMA first year. The subject is like statistics. Today the topic of my presentation is like standard deviation, proportion by the Mahindra Diamond sir. Overview, basically this is my contents is like first like introduction to statistics, second like definitions, third like the objective, fourth is like a definition to standard deviation, fifth like merits and demerit standard deviation, sixth like the calculation of the standard deviation. Introduction to statistics. The word of the statistics is convey the variety of the meaning to the people in the different walk of the life. The word statistics come from the Italian word is like statista. The German word is statistics is like a political states. Basically, the word statistics is to the refer to the either is quantitative information or the method of the dealing with the quantitative or qualitative in the information. Definition is basically like the statistics is to define a collection, the presentation and analyze the interpretation of numerical data according to like Croston and Cordons. Basically, statistics is the science and art dealing with figure and facts. Objective. At the end, this presentation you should be able to basically is like define the standard deviation, list the merit and demerits of obtaining standard deviations, calculation the variance and the standard deviations. So basically, standard deviation. Standard deviation is measure the dispersion of the data. It's showing the average absolute distance of each point from the mean. The greater than value of the standard deviation is the further the data is obtained to be the disparate from the mean. Merits of the standard deviation. Basically, first is like it is the most reliable measure of the dispersion. Second is like it is the most widely used measure of the dispersion or variability. Third is like the computation is the best or the observation. Demerits. The basically is for demerits of the standard deviation is first is like it is relatively difficult to calculate and understanding. Second is like it is cannot be used comparing to dispersion two or the more series given the different units. Third is like it is offered very much by the extreme value. Formula, one of the most important part of the standard deviation is like formula. So basically formula is like a standard deviation has a sample is denoted it is the data represent a population and S is like a data represent a sample. Basically standard deviation is equal to under root summation x minus x whole square upon n like population. S is equal to under root summation x minus x whole square upon n minus 1 is like sample. So example basically find the standard deviation and the population data like 6, 4, 5, 7, 8. Solution, basically n is number, x is variety. So n like number is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and x like variety is like 6, 4, 5, 7, 8. So x minus x is like 6 minus 6 is like 0, 4 minus 6 is like minus 2, 5 minus 6 is like minus 1, 7 minus 6 is like 1, 8 minus 6 is like 2. So x minus x whole square is like 0 square is like 0, minus 2 square is like 4, minus 1 square like 1, 1 square like 1, 2 square like 2 is like basically the x minus x square whole square is equal to 10. So basically summation x minus x whole square is like a formula. So standard deviation under root summation x minus x whole square upon n under root 10 upon 5 is under root 2 is equal to 1.4 is like answer. Summary, basically standard deviation is measure the dispersion of the data. It is most reliable the greater than value of standard deviation the further the data and tend to be dispersion from the mean. Thank you so much guys, you listen to my presentation and watching to my video.